Mwanchumu ase roboti ronde mawaziri hotendete heke gancha gia serikali mheshimiwa John Mbadi hakora igi na barikia mangana jeti umwaka bwechiri bubere mirongo bere na isano na ire hase atebire nigo by'abananchi byanyataba bibwateraniwe chiri rai bari bakomorio we koiga iyo kagera motenyo narimo hasa nigo ebirengerero by'abananchi bonsi bwente kwa na kwa tayo go chigo segeta umwananchi likito nyambane agotumanyia.
We are also that there are mistake was put in 2020 that they were put at a zero rating. It's complicated. How do you even start calculating input tax on sugar? And complication. The Manda exam. The input also like the net effect will be zero. So there is nothing to worry about in those matters. Those are just questioning.
Iba mangana amaya no muwaziri bweke kantekenene gie serikali Mbadi asate budget y'omwaka oyo iga nigerengia nako yetoge nige murekerete asaba amochirie abana siasa bari bagusegeta abananchi gokora okorobekana.
That I welcome constructive engagement, but I don't welcome propaganda. I don't welcome propaganda. Where propaganda is coming from senior leaders. Let us call some of these leaders because they should not start emotion. We have really gone to balance to ensure that Kenyans are not overtaxed. And at the same time, we have a budget. Please don't into the 2026. Unnecessary. When you take the out of propaganda, some people will have their property destroyed. Some people may lose their life. That is not the country.
Budget oni chia gwikirania chia nda chia serikali.
I would say doing whatever it takes. That process reducing some you can see we are putting more money in cash transfer, more than years, billion. We are putting more resources in other sectors like health, education, consuming a big part to reduce.
Nonya nabo chirie gikeria bwa serikali na jitu cha sam.
I'm praying, working shilling you want to and you don't want the shilling to depreciate because that would be the cost of taxing our debt to a higher fee. 1.5 living in 2.1 2.1 1 trillion in salaries not negotiable. You need 1.1 400 to county. You remain with less than 700. Primary health care will be 90. And there is fertilizer subsidy. There will be emergency, chronic, and critical. Capitation primary school 7 billion. I have not even gone into buying equipment for all the kids. Said yes. You know there's I can chew the gum. My child, what is it? Monday, Friday, I am here working and doing my work. There's nothing that has defeated me. Weekends, I do what I enjoy. It's like my hobby. And you know, remember, me, I was not removed from a lecturing. I was not lecturing before I came to this. And I was not a director general like Mwanda or any other person. I was not like Christopher. I was in politics. You can't remove politics from me. No, I think when you can remove a monkey from the bush, bring the monkey home, the monkey will never be a ghost. The monkey will remain monkey whether the monkey is a the characteristics of monkey will not see when your monkey is greater.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.